Most people think AI can help you write code, but what they don't know is it can help you design, like the actual design. Cleaner layout, proper spacing, and a website that feels like a designer spent a week or a month designing that. And I built this landing page entirely with Claude Design. No Figma, no template, not anything, just Claude Design. And honestly, the result kind of surprised me because I've tried this stuff before and this never happens. So Claude Design is really insane on building these kind of website. With Claude Code, you can build actual full-fledged websites. So in this video, I'm going to show you and I'm going to break down exact step-by-step guide on how I actually build this website, on how you can build it too. So this is the website that I've built just using one prompt. Like I haven't changed anything here. I just wrote one prompt and that's it. It just built me this beautiful website, which is this beautiful animations we have in here. There's liquid glass as well. As you can see, glass morphism. Exactly. So this is the full website and it's easier than you think it is. It's so much easier to build these websites. So now to build such websites, first of all, you need a reference, right? So you can go to Motion Sites, which is a really great website to get references for your next iteration. Like you are going to build a website, but you need a reference. You need something to start with. So Motion Sites is the best site for that. So you can get so many templates here. Some of that you can copy and you have to buy a subscription for that. But you can actually, if you're a designer, if you want and you have clients that are looking for some websites like these, then it's definitely worth to buy. It's just like, and it's much easier than you think it is. So we have so many websites here. I'm just looking for, actually I'm gonna build one right now. So I'm just looking for a demo right now that is going to be in a like a kind of a parallax zoom effect that I'm going to build. So after finding for it for a minute, I just found a website which is like this, and I am going to build a website like this. Like where you scroll, it is going to move forward with the animation, which is kind of like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the prompt right here and I am going to just paste it into Claude Design. So I'm then going to have a design system. So I'm just going to name it like a website demo, kind of something like that. And I'm choosing high fidelity here. So, and then whatever the prompt I've copied, I'm just going to paste it here, which is I have pasted the prompt. And now I am going to generate this, but before generating I need my own image, right? So I need my own image. So ChatGPT image 2.0 just released, so I have built some images from that. So let me just show you that. So I have built like two images, which is a cherry blossom one. So it is going to be kind of like a zoom in effect, like when you scroll down it is going to zoom in a drone effect kind of thing. So I have just downloaded these two files, right, which is going to be in a zoom effect. So when you scroll down, you can actually see that the website is going to load that. So we need a video for that, right? So it has the video on itself, like this one, inbuilt video, but I'm going to use my own one. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I have generated this image, and now what I'm going to do is I'm using Kling 3.0, which is this one. It is free to use from this website, official website here. I should have built one website right here. So I can actually use that. So you have to get into here with the generate and then start frame and end frame one. And I'm going to place both of the image here. So let me just upload that image. So now I have added both of the images. So it is going to be in a drone shot, which is scrolling down and it will be there. And I'm going to select 1080p for 12 seconds here. And it has three free trials, so 12 seconds long. I don't think 12 seconds is good. I think 10 seconds is good. Maybe 10 seconds, yeah. So 10 seconds, one image, one video here. And I just used Claude to generate me the whole JSON prompt for this one, which is this one. And I'm just going to copy this one. So copy it, and then I am going to paste it in Kling. Here we go. I'm going to paste that, and let's see. Let's generate that, and it will generate me the image here. So it's going to take some time. And let me just show you another things. If you are looking to get more of the stuff, like more of the images, then you can more of the images and background that you can use. So first you can go to the motion sites here and then just go to backgrounds, and you can just copy the background that you want, which are phenomenal, which are really good here. As you can see, some of these are premium, but you want that. And then either you can just go into Pinterest and then just select one of that, and then it will give you so many ideas, and just save that, reuse it with Kling here, or use ChatGPT or Nano Banana Pro to generate an beautiful image with this. So now after 2 minutes, it just generated me the whole video, which, as you can see here, exactly, that's the video exactly that I want. Good, amazing. And now I'm just going to download this. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to write in the prompt, which is simple. And let me just add the video. So I tried to add the video, but it wasn't letting me add the video. So I just uploaded it into Mux and then embedded it here. So let's just, and now Claude Design will ask me questions. And based on that, I will build out the website. From behind all oh, well, what the... It's just one pause with two variations with the layout and everything. And then continue. So now let's just let Claude Design build this out for me, and let's see how it built me that. So now it built me like this. At the first iteration it was broken, but now it built me. But the video is still short and I'm not able to upload the video here because it's long, like it's 30 MB, that's what I think. But as you can see, if we can actually scroll, and it is going to zoom in a bit, as you can see here, it's still not perfect. And what I want is basically this one, and then I want all of these stuffs to appear as well as I scroll. So now I'm going to use Claude Code to build me the rest of it. So I'm just going to share there here, and I'm just going to hand off to Claude Code. And then there we have it. I'm just going to copy the command here, copy the command, and now I'm going to paste that into my Claude session, and let's just get started with Claude now. So now I'm building this inside anti-gravity where I can use Gemini as well as I am going to use Claude for this. So let's just use Claude now. So first of all, I'm going to just upload my video here. So now I have uploaded my MP4 video here, and I'm going to use this video. So let me just open the Claude session here, and I'm just going to paste that, and so this one. And first of all, let me just go to the plan mode. So now Claude is going to now build me the plan here. So now Claude is going to ask me some questions now because it has read the entire design file which we have created from Claude Design. So now it is okay. Video presented the background, look in the current scroll on. For a paper monthly in the bottom, yeah, that's what I want. And now let's Claude build me the plan. So now Claude just build me the whole plan here. So let me just read the plan, and let's see if that plan is what we want. Now I'm just going to get into bypass permissions, and let's just Claude build me the website here. So now after doing some back and forth with Claude, like fixing that, and then I generated that into like video into frames, which is this one. So each of the video is in frames, so it has more smoother animation when you scroll down. And yeah, I've actually and turned it into basic HTML into a React Node.js one, and I've added some of the more other stuffs and tweaked that a little, and it got me this website at the end. So let me just show you that. So this is that. So yeah, we have this beautiful, when you scroll down, it is going to actually get that. Again, zoom in effect. Exactly. Well, and then we have this one, these cards, and then selected work. And now we have the selected work, which is interactable, as you can see right here. And then we have this parallax effect. Like this effect, parallax effect, this is what we call parallax effect. And then this one about this page and sort and work. And then we have this cool slide in that go, and then this, so this is for a creative agency landing page. There we have it. So that's just built using Claude Code and Claude Design. First of all, I got the iteration from Claude Design, and then I generated that website into more smoother animations and added more of the other stuff using Claude Code. And by the way, these are the other stuff that I've added that using 21st.dev. So actually just gone to the 21st.dev, copy the prompt, and then just paste it here, which is like circular gallery, which you can see there. Fancy card, which is that fancy card. Where is it? Mm, this fancy card, this one. And then we have smooth heroes for the smoother animations. We have parallax effect for exactly for this one. Yeah, parallax effect for this one. Right. So yeah, and you can use 21st.dev for that. It has other it has so many components which you can just copy and paste, and obviously, yeah. Let me just show you some of that. So we have like components. So the components, we have different of the components here, like scroll animations, 3D interactive, QR code, and shaders, heroes section. And what you can just do is you can just or right click on that and just copy prompt for Claude code, either for cursor if you're using cursor, for lovable, for bold, for replit, for versal, whatever you are using right now. So I'll just copy it for Claude code and just gonna paste that into here .md file, and then just tell Claude code to implement this MD file into my project, and according to that it will do that. And that's all about it. So you can build these such beautiful websites using Claude Design and Claude Code, and now you can see uh, what it's worth it, and it's easily worth like $5,000. I actually build such websites and such designs and such AI agents in my school community. So you can find all of the resources that I've been building on YouTube, and you can find some premium things as well, like the basic courses and basic things on how to get started with the designing and how to get started with building AI agents for yourself and how you can sell that. So you can just join my school community down below, and let's get started with that. Also, if you want us to build such websites like these, such systems, such designs, such content systems, such AI agents like these, you just book a call down below or email me, and let's see how we can help you with that. Cheers.